Hello everyone, we are going to start this session. In this session, we are going to learn about Jenkins. What is Jenkins? What are its use cases? And how to use it in DevOps. And in the coming sessions, we will be implementing pipelines, creating pipelines using build-style jobs in the Jenkins. Now, in this video, we'll try to configure and set up the Jenkins in a virtual machine. Yeah, let's start implementing it. You can just follow the official documentation. I'll keep this link in the description. In that you can see the steps. If you are using Debian based Linux flavor, you can directly select Ubuntu. And the prerequisites for installing Jenkins is we must have Java installed in it. Yeah, that is the prerequisite. And where do we install the Jenkins? We must have a Linux server or any compute machine for installing the Jenkins. Jenkins will run defaultly on port 8080, where Jenkins service will be enabled at the system as a system service. As of now, I am using a killer code learning environment. You can see it is free but it only exists for 1 hour. If it is just for practice, if you want the Jenkins to be used day by day or for permanent use, you should definitely take a VM in a cloud based like AWS or Azure, any cloud service provider, and you can able to launch an EC2 instance or any instance, and you have to start implementing in it. So I am starting implementing it. First I will check if the Java is existing or not. You can see there is no Java found. This is the long-term release of the Jenkins. You have prerequisite installation of Java here, so you can directly, first of all, you have to do sudo apt update. As everything you do, the first thing you do is to update the repositories. Then we are installing OpenJDK for Java. You have to click Y. You can see Jenkins is being installed. And the next step is to check version. Yeah, we have successfully installed Java. We will check the version of Java now. Just a minute. You can see Java is successfully installed, Java 21. Now we will install Jenkins. First we need to add the key. Yeah, it's added. Now we will download the package necessary for installing Jenkins. Then we will update the repositories as we added a new key. Then we can install the Jenkins after the key is updated. See, as simple. Then we need to enable it as a system service. See, a symlink is been created. These are the official documentation. See, I have to enable the Jenkins. Then I have to start the Jenkins. See, to enable the Jenkins, we have to start the Jenkins. I have to check the status of Jenkins. You can see that we can also check in using the netstat tool -. cp, you can see port 8080. See, 8080 is running by Java. That will be used for Jenkins. Now let's try to access the Jenkins. As it is running on 8080, you can directly select 8080 here, or you can also write 80 here. Yeah, see, we have not written any code for this website, for this dashboard, or we have not written any logic. It's an open source tool. We can directly import it and we can directly use it. We will get the admin password from this directory. I will explain you what exactly that is. You can see now we will be able to log into Jenkins. See, you can install the plugins. It will take some time. Until then, I will explain what exactly this directory is. You can go to cd where, then cd live and Jenkins. Sorry, just a minute. cd /var lib Jenkins. See, this is the workspace of the Jenkins. Yeah, you can see all the files available for this. You have secrets, you have plugins, you have everything here. Right here, I think there is a folder missing here. When we create our first pipeline, some more files will be created here. It will take some time. After plugins are installed, we will be able to log into the Jenkins dashboard, and we will start implementing pipelines in the next video. Thanks.